everyone, this is Frankie from Leapion, China. Welcome to our channel. Have you heard of the Chinese Lunar New Year, the Spring Festival? In China, it is the most important festival. Hundreds of millions of people return to their hometowns and reunite with their families by using various means of transportation. Today, in this video, we will show you the application of our laser machines in the transportation industry. For the DXF drawings in this video, you can contact us and get them for free.
Due to the high precision and efficiency of laser cutting, it plays an important role in cutting sheet metal for aircraft parts. It can be used in the manufacturing of various metal structures such as aircraft fuselages and wings. Here showcased our excellent welding technology that perfectly connect a wide variety of cut parts together. Laser cutting machines can easily cut holes and openings of various shapes and sizes for manufacturing bus parts, such as body structures, door and window frames, etc. The welding machine performs high-strength and high-precision welding of metal frame components. Posting the word during the Chinese New Year is a long-standing custom, and has become a symbol of the Spring Festival. The interpretation of the word is happiness, which also refers to blessing and luck. Posting the word during the Spring Festival expresses people's yearning for a happy life and wishes for a better future. At this moment when tradition and modernity merge, our laser cutting machines use unique technical beauty to exquisitely present the majestic beauty of the traditional Chinese character. This machine is suitable for cutting and marking thin metal sheets. With its high precision and accuracy, every carving made by the knife carries the fervent desire for good wishes. The combination of the precision of the laser and the flexibility of the cutting machine makes the word show its unique artistic charm. Our laser cutting machine is cutting another traditional Chinese element, fish. Those in China must have a dish of fish in New Year's Eve dinner. The custom originates from the homophonic meaning of having more than enough every year, symbolizing an abundant and comfortable life. Therefore, in Chinese culture, eating fish has become a traditional custom during the Spring Festival, which means that there will be more than enough wealth every year. Based on the traditional Chinese character, we combined advanced laser cutting technology to give this ancient symbol a new life. Laser cutting uses highly precise techniques to carve the word more finely and layered, making this character not only a symbol, but also a work of unique artistic value. Such laser-cut blessing characters are not only a trendy cultural expression, but also a unique tribute to tradition. This innovative form that combines traditional culture and modern technology not only inherits the traditional cultural connotation, but also injects innovative elements of the times, injecting richer connotation and modern flavor into the traditional character.
As you can see, our laser machines are widely used in various industries. If you have any questions, if you want to get about drawings, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and get more surprise.